Hi guys! Okay. Welcome back. So we have a grapevine that's been growing out back for like years. So we decided to try to make some grape. Try to make some grape jelly with this. So Terry went and picked the berries. Grapes.
Oh, is grapes a berry?
I don't know. Aren't
I don't
they?
think they are.
They're not? I don't know. Okay, so right now we're just separating the grapes from the
I don't
vines.
think there is wild grapes. You said earlier you were going to go out and look for grapes.
I meant like go to the store. Can you not buy grapevines at a store?
Oh, yeah.
I didn't mean like let's go on a hike and find some grapes.
That's what I was like, what?
No. Okay. We need to Google later if a grape's a berry.
You need to get some find some Concord grapevines.
That's what someone said they thought these was at work when I told them.
Well, they might be. I don't know. I don't know if Concord grapes have.
They said that they were like super dark and something about the texture of the shell, but I don't remember what they said.
Seeded?
Yes, they are seeded.
Maybe they are. Maybe it is. I don't know.
Yeah.
They smell good.
They do. My hands smell like literally grape juice. When you said you need to, I thought you were going to say you need to go put some clothes on. That's what I thought you were going to say. I'm like, gee, thanks.
More views.
That's what edit's for.
Oh. Well, you don't have to put it all in that bowl, but if you got it all out.
I think I do. I mean, you can check.
'Good enough. You're going to have a little strain it anyhow.
Yeah. Now see how much it weighs.
What was this, a pound?
A pound and 4 ounces. Holy moly. So we got...
That's out too, so it might actually weigh more than that. Might have to take a little bit out and then measure it.
Wait, no. Here. And 13 ounces. So it's 5 pounds and no. Yeah.
5 pounds. Yeah, 5 pounds. Okay, so we're supposed to squish these things, but I'm cheating a little bit using a blender. It's a lot easier. It does the same thing. Doesn't matter. Grape juice. And let me tell you what, it smells delicious. Just saying. It's good. So let me carry you over here. Because after you blend it, let me get a bowl. And a drainer, strainer, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. Same thing. And then you get the juice from the grapes. You just throw away what's the grapes and seeds and all that and just keep the juice. Takes a little time. It doesn't go through very fast. This juice is actually a lot thicker than I thought it would be. I'm thinking grape juice is like water pretty much, but it's not. It's thick.
Alright guys, right here we have 4 pounds of grape juice that we have blended out of the grapes. So now we have to run and get our sugar and our
Gels and whatever the
gel, sure gel, that's what it is, sure gel. So that we can start cooking and mixing and canning.
You gotta get some jars too.
Yeah, that too, but see you soon!
Alright, so we got the ingredients now. Got the sugar and the sure gel. So you mix 1 box of sure gel with a 1/2 cup of sugar. And you mix it all together. And we're boiling our grapes here in the pan. We're boiling the grapes for how long? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And then after that, I believe we add 4 more. We're going to do 4 more cups of sugar into the grape juice.
And cook it.
And then we're going to cook it for a minute.
But
At a rolling boil. It's got to be at a rolling boil.
We're going to take some of the juice out and mix it into
Yeah,
that.
you take a little bit of the juice and put it in this and mix it all together. And you mix it till all the grainy stuff is gone. And once it's all gone, then you add it to the other grape juice. Bring the whole thing to a rolling boil for a minute. And then you're supposed to be done. You put it in the jars and hopefully we got grape juice or grape jelly. We'll see. So we'll get back once we get this done right here. Tell them the right mixture of the salt or sugar.
Alright. Hey guys, alright, so we have did the sure gel with the sugar and we've went ahead and added it all into the mix. So one thing that we do want to point out is there is 2 separate boxes, which I feel like the lighting's not very good right now. But
Just tell them it's yellow.
this box is yellow with an orange label, and there's a box that is pink. And it says, I think it's like less sugar added or something of that nature. Make sure on the back of it right here that you're following exactly what it tells you to put in it. Okay, so this one here, we're doing the 2 quarts, so we have to do the 7 cups of sugar. Now if you have the pink one, I think you're going to do roughly about 4 cups of sugar. Just make sure that you're paying attention to that. So ours called for 7 cups of sugar. We're going to wait for it to come to a boil for a minute. We're going to mix it, and then we're going to be ready to pour it into our jars.
Smells awesome.
Yeah, and it smells so, like, I wish you could, like, smell through the screens because it's amazing.
I'll have to buy jelly for a while.
Yeah, definitely. I'm always like so excited to do this kind of stuff. Like I'm just like I want to take it to work and like let everyone try it and I don't know. I can make a video of me making homemade muffins.
Yeah. Got chocolate chips. Just regular milk chocolate.
That's nice.
They had dark chocolate. Alright. It's done. It's in jars.
We did it!
We actually got 13 jars, 8-ounce jars. Got 13 of them full out of 5 pounds of grapes.
Yeah, 5 pounds. And I guess maybe we can do a review video.
So yeah, when it's done and set up, we'll do a taste test and see how it turns out. Let's hope. Alright, the jelly is done. And now it's time to taste it. This jar is my jar. We ended up getting, see, I think there was 13. I think it was 22 jars altogether. 22 8-ounce jars. But as you can see, it's jelly. Actually, smooth. It's going on real smooth. Gelled up really good. After we figured out the gelatin, I'll get the ingredients and all that we did to make this, and I'll put it all on here on the video on the end. So if you want it, you can get it. Because we did end up having to change a little bit of stuff, but it's really good. Like it's not real strong, but it's good. So, worked out good. So if you ever plan on making any, watch the video. Like I said, I'll put all the ingredients and the way to do it at the end of the video, and that's all you need. Alright guys, here's the ingredients. Here's how you make it. It's 2 quarts of fruit, 1 box of Sure Gel, and 7 cups of sugar. And that'll make 8 8-ounce jars of jelly. And it's delicious.